Welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today, we're kayaking on the Swatara Creek in Swatara State Park near Pine Grove, Pennsylvania.
Should I go in?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. I just want to wait here because this is the platform.
Oh yeah. So the first thing we see on the creek is that snake. Can you see that snake right there? You know, to pull, if you flip out, Marie, and it's too deep and you can't stand, you pull the orange cord on the right hand side to inflate your life jacket. Here we go. This is the Swatara Creek. Marie's in her kayak. Now the Swatara Creek is in Swatara State Park, and we had stayed at the Twin Grove RV Resort just across the street from State Park. So this is one of the activities that you can do if you stay at that camp. And the Swatara Creek is more like a small river than a creek. It is wide enough that you can kayak on here with multiple people, and deep enough that your kayaks are not scraping the bottom all the time. Yeah, this is a nice little, you know, I'm used to creeks being tiny.
Yeah. Sometimes creek can be very misleading.
Yeah.
Such as in the Little Pine Creek, in which I almost drowned.
Right. We actually want to kayak that because that's up near our cabin.
Well, why did I turn?
Use that paddle. Yeah. Or you drag the paddle in the other side, Marie. Small strokes.
Oh, okay. Somebody asked you if you're hot. Don't say you're hot.
That highway you see up there is 81, Route 81. Use your paddles. Dig yourself out. There you go.
I got it!
So just remember, Marie, when you're going down through there, Marie, if you're turning like this way, right, you can go backwards to spin it the way you want it. So you can control it either way. Either with a back paddle, you can
Go back.
Yeah, so like if you're spinning to the wrong side, just back paddle, you know, to help you steer.
I just saw all those rocks. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah. You good? All right.
Got me on camera.
Yep.
That was fun. That's what we're gonna get. I think it's better.
There's more down here. Doesn't look deep, it looks really shallow. You did good, yeah. You did good. That was an easier one. Mr. Hoffman? Oh, that breeze feels so good. This is a good first season paddle.
And the water level's not real high,
Yeah.
so it's not too fast.
It's good for Maria. It's her first time in a river or a creek. You know, she's used to lakes. You're welcome. Yeah, I figured. You knew where it was. It looked deep enough that I wasn't going to hit it, but... I got that on video.
I got it, Melissa. Good job.
Yeah, they said this one had to have them up. Now you're going to have to get
Now on the Swatara, there are some minor rapids as you see, but there are long stretches where you have to paddle. So you'll get the best of both worlds.
Go right, just go right through the middle, Marie.
Right through the middle.
Right down to center.
Should I go?
Yeah,
Guys,
go ahead. Cover.
try to stay in the middle.
Yeah.
Hey, sometimes the boat just does what it wants to do. Right like now.
Professional kayaker Marie Ballantyne in her SunDolphin 10 Journey. Yep. Spin it around. Yeah, just, yeah. And now paddle with the other side. There you go. You got it. Yeah, you want to go around the rock.
As far as the best times to kayak the Swatara, I would stay away from in the middle of August when there might be a drought, because that's going to drop the water level where you might hang the bottom off. But for the most part, any other time, especially after rain, will provide a great kayaking experience on Swatara Creek.
Sean, we haven't seen you the whole time. You hit a rock. No, other way. Forward. There you go. And now the other one. There you go. Now shallow paddles, Marie, will keep you from spinning. Shallow paddles will keep you from spinning.
Did you see me go through it? I was like a champion. Plus size kayaker.
I might have it on video. the new kayaking sensation. Guess I should get my feet in position here for our rapids. No, you want to come towards the center, Marie. Yeah, like we're, yeah.
Follow Gene, you can decoy.
Kevin's taking one for this one.
Or Kevin, yeah.
We can shoot the gap in between them. No rocks in the middle. Oh, there's one.
Now for this kayaking trip, we put in just below the Waterville Bridge, and then we kayaked down the Swatara and got out at the Lickdale Trailhead. So that was the portion of the creek that we decided to do, and it took us a little over an hour to do that section. Of course, there's, you know, many places that you can put in and take out. So, you know, you can decide how much time you have and what the weather conditions are to determine your trip.
It's a good idea, Tim. I was gonna make pomegranate martinis.
Oh,
We have multiple beverage choices.
oh. The bar is open.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Either go over there or come over here. So you get in. Yeah, we're going to where it's lower.
What do we do to get out? Yeah.
Need help draining that one? Now, one of the dangers when you're kayaking
Losing your shit.
is footwear malfunction. And when we see a footwear malfunction, it can cause you to roll your kayak. So it's always important that you get your $6 Walmart footwear.
Yeah, because that lasts longer than the Nike.
Yeah.
We're following you, Sean.
How do you like that kayak? Pretty good?
Yeah.
They're very good. It's the same one I have.
Yeah, I noticed they track well.
Oh my gosh, that's what they're known for.
Pungo 100.
Yes. And Melissa has the same kayak, but it's a 12.
Yeah, I saw that one.
They're very good. And you know what I got? This is my first one. I wouldn't trade it. I like the shorter one.
Yeah. For me, I can handle them by myself if it's a 10-footer.
Well, that's what this is. It's 10. We got that when Skylar was a puppy.
Yeah, she
so
was
that you
saying.
could go with, but you don't want to paddle an extra 70 pounds.
Yeah. They're retired from kayaking now. You going up next?
Yeah, you guys can go up. Get on the water. Go like one by one, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty simple.
Lost a shoe in that mud. I hope you enjoyed that trip on the Swatara Creek. If you did, what could they do to help us out, Marie?
Subscribe.
Also, if you want to know every time we put up a new video, what could they do?
Ring the bell.
And finally, if they're grateful for this video, what should they do?
Put your thumbs up.
But more than anything else, go have some fun out there. Thanks for watching.